Well, today's Supreme Court ruling is having a dramatic impact across the country, especially here in Louisiana, where abortion instantly became illegal in nearly all cases.
But investigative reporter Mike Pearlstein caught up with a local law professor who said the ruling is far from the last word on the issue. Mike?
Well, that's right, Sharice and Devin. Loyola law professor Dane Cialino said the moral battle over abortion is hardly over. It is just shifting to other arenas.
All this decision really does is send it back to the states.
Loyola law professor Dane Cialino has been teaching students about the Roe v. Wade Supreme Court ruling for years. In one exercise, he shows how easily the Constitution could be interpreted either way on abortion, primarily because the issue is never explicitly addressed in the document.
The great public misunderstanding about this opinion and Roe v. Wade before it is that these justices aren't expressing any opinion on the rightness or wrongness or the morality of abortion. The only issue they're deciding is who decides.
He says lawmakers and voters will now be left to decide the issue.
Effective just after 9 o'clock Central Time this morning, Louisiana has among the most restrictive abortion laws in the country. And if people don't like that, they have to resort to the democratic process.
Cialino anticipates that voters will have a lot to say.
So now the pressure is on legislators, and voters will put the pressure on them. Whatever view those voters have is going to matter, and they'll state their opinions about abortion at the ballot box.
Cialino also said attention will shift to local district attorneys. That's because the teeth in Louisiana's almost complete abortion ban is in the criminalization of doctors who perform the procedure, making it punishable by up to 10 years in prison.
District attorneys in Louisiana have unbridled discretion to decide what sorts of cases to prosecute and which sorts of offenses to let go unprosecuted.
And sure enough, right on cue, New Orleans District Attorney Jason Williams issued a statement this afternoon that his office has no interest in prosecuting abortion doctors, calling the Supreme Court ruling, quote, a cruel and irresponsible stripping of a woman's agency.
Yeah, Mike, he's joining 83 other prosecutors across the country in making that decision. Thank you so much.